You've been a nurse for years, maybe even decades, and somewhere deep down, you've always had this nagging feeling that you were meant for something more. Today, I'm going to show you 10 signs that legal nurse consulting might be just the career that you were born for. Now look, I want to get real with you right off the bat. Every single week, I talk to nurses who have spent 10, 15, 20 years at Bedside. These are brilliant, experienced, passionate nurses, but they have no idea that there's an entirely different world that could be right there waiting for them. A world where they work on their own terms, where they use every ounce of their clinical expertise, but they're finally compensated in a way that actually reflects their value. And here's what breaks my heart. Most of these nurses have been showing the signs for years. They just didn't know what those signs meant. So today I'm going to walk you through the top 10 signs that you were born to be a legal nurse consultant. And if you check off more than, say, 6 or 7 of these, stay to the very end because I have something very important for you. My name's Randy Lovelace. I've been a nurse for over 27 years. I've worked from the emergency department, the bedside, all the way up to chief operating officer for a major healthcare system. I left a 6-figure executive salary to start my own legal nurse consulting firm from scratch. And I built a 6-figure business. Then I created Catalyst Coaching and Mentoring because nurse after nurse kept asking me, Randy, how did you do it? Can you show me? I've helped hundreds of nurses make this exact transition. And every single one of them, before they ever found me, they were showing these signs. So let's get into it. So sign number 1, that you were meant to be a legal nurse. You're the nurse who always asks, why? The first sign is that you're not content to just follow the order. You want to know the why behind the diagnosis, behind the treatment plan, the medication choice, the new rollout of this, flavor of the month that you're having to do. You want to understand the why. You're the nurse doing the extra research. You're connecting the dots. You're piecing the story together. And that instinct, that's the legal nurse brain. In legal nurse consulting, we call it playing detective. You're analyzing thousands of pages of medical records. You're identifying what happened, when it happened, and most importantly, why it matters to the attorney's case. Amanda has completed over 80 cases in just 8 months because she is a natural detective. She understands what she's seeing in the record and how it works together. And if that's you, that's sign number 1. Sign number 2, you've always been the one your colleagues come to for answers. Look, nurses know their stuff, but there are some nurses that other nurses go to. The ones who explain things clearly, who have a depth of knowledge that really just makes everyone around them better. And if that's you, that's a major sign. Because here's what legal nurse consulting is at its core. You're translating complex world of medical records and medicine and healthcare for attorneys who are brilliant in their field, but they don't speak our language. And your ability to communicate clinical concepts clearly is not just helpful in this field, it's everything. Now, sign number 3, you're burned out, but you still love nursing. This is a big one, and I want you to really hear this. Being burned out does not mean that you've made the wrong choice becoming a nurse. What it really means is the system you're working in is failing you, and there's a huge difference. Kelsey, she's one of our Catalyst nurses. She was a NICU nurse, and she loved her patients. She loved nursing. But the 12-hour shifts, the missed holidays, the feeling of leaving before her baby woke up in the morning, coming home after her baby had gone to sleep, it was just destroying her. And she told me legal nursing has been a breath of fresh air for her. She's now home every single day. She works when her daughter naps, and she told me I'm not making this up. She said, I'm living my dream life. So if you still love what nursing stands for, but the environment is killing you, that's sign 3. Sign 4, if you've ever said, somebody should be held accountable for this mess. I mean, we've all had our moments in nursing where something happened to a patient and we thought, this is wrong. This shouldn't have happened. This was avoidable. But you might have felt helpless because what could you actually do about it? Legal nurse consulting gives you a vehicle to do something about it. You become the person who helps attorneys build cases that hold negligent providers accountable. You become the advocate on paper for patients who don't always get justice. And if you've ever felt that sort of moral pull, that's sign 4. Sign 5. You've been thinking about legal nursing for a really long time. Or maybe you're just hearing about it, but it's really intriguing you. Here's one that's really, really common. Nurse after nurse tells me, Randy, I've been thinking about this for years. Oftentimes years, not weeks, not months, but years. And they kept putting it off, telling themselves they weren't ready. They didn't know enough. They'd look into it someday. Jennifer, she's one of our Catalyst clients. She told me that she first researched legal nurse consulting 18 months before she ever reached out to us. She kept talking herself out of it, but the thought kept coming back. That's not a coincidence, guys. That's your instincts telling you something. If legal nursing has been in the back of your mind for any amount of time, that's sign 5. Sign 6, you're fascinated by how things go wrong. Think of like true crime, medical mysteries, lawsuits, investigations. If you find yourself inexplicably drawn to these types of things to understand what went wrong and why, then pay attention. That's not just morbid curiosity. That's the analytical mind of a legal nurse consultant. One of our Catalyst nurses, her name's Jennifer as well, she said, I'm a true crime junkie. I watch trials in my free time. And she turned that passion into a thriving legal nurse consulting business. Your interests aren't random. They're pointing you somewhere. Sign 7. You're tired of someone else controlling your time. Hospital policies dictate where you work, when you take breaks, when you can use the dang bathroom. You have to beg off for holidays. You get denied vacation because too many people already have that week. And your schedule, the very hours of your life, they're managed by somebody else. One of our Catalyst nurses, also an L&D nurse with 2 young kids, she described it perfectly. She said she was tired of asking permission to go to the bathroom, tired of fighting for a shift change to make it to her child's school play. Today, she says, I schedule my family things first, and then I plug work in where I can. That's what legal nurse consulting gives you, your time back. And if you're done asking for permission to have control over your own life, welcome to sign 7. Sign 8, you're detail-oriented and you take pride in your documentation. This is a big one. Legal nurse consulting is built on world-class documentation. The chronologies, the reports, the work products you produce, they're what attorneys use to build cases, to win settlements, to achieve justice for their clients. And the detail-oriented nurse, the one who's always documenting thoroughly, who catches the things that other people miss, that's the nurse who becomes an exceptional legal nurse consultant. One of our graduates, Jane, she was at a dinner event, and she pulled out her phone for an attorney right there at the table so that he could look at her work product. And that attorney told her, "Are you kidding me? This is way better than anything that I produce right now." See, that's what the right training and the right instincts can produce. If you take pride in your documentation, then you have sign 8. We're almost there, sign 9. Here's sign 9. You want more for your family than your current nursing career is allowing you to give. This one comes up in almost every conversation I have with nurses. It's not just about money, though. It's about life change. It's about being present. It's about missing the moments that don't come back. Rachel is another one of our Catalyst nurses. She has 4 kids, ages 13 through 18, and she named her legal nurse consulting firm Moonstruck LNC after her late father's cattle ranch. She told me that she's building generational success, not just a paycheck. She got 3 attorneys in her first 4 weeks of marketing, and she hasn't looked back. If you're doing this as much for your family as for yourself, that's sign 9. And the final sign, sign 10, you're coachable, you're committed, and you're willing to do the work. I want to be clear with you here. Legal nurse consulting is not a get-rich-quick scheme. If anyone's telling you it is, they're lying to you. Nobody is handing you a 6-figure income on a silver platter. The nurses who succeed in this field, and I've helped hundreds of them succeed, they're the ones who are willing to do the work, to trust the process, and to stay coachable even when it gets hard. Seth, he's a former Marine Corps Special Forces operator. 4 years of one of the toughest training programs on earth. And he told me starting his legal nurse consulting business was one of the hardest things he'd ever done. He had to contact over 700 law firms before cases started flowing. Now, he's going PRN at the hospital because he doesn't need it anymore. He told me there are only 2 ways to fail. Don't start or quit after you've started. If you're committed, not just interested, but committed, that's sign 10. So let me ask you, how many of those signs resonated with you? Because if you're sitting there checking boxes, if you're the nurse who asks why, who's burned out but still loves what nursing stands for, who's been thinking about this for years, I want you to hear clearly. This isn't a coincidence that you're watching this video right now. Sarah, another one of our Catalyst nurses, she had back surgery that forced her out of her travel nursing role. She found legal nurse consulting. She found Catalyst. She finished her training. She had her first subcontract case the very next day she finished her practice cases. 6 months later, she's running her own business, literally from the Galapagos Islands, swimming with sea turtles while her subcontractors were handling the work. Guys, that's not a fantasy. That's a real person who made a real decision and put in the real work to get there. And Alex, she saw her revenue increase almost 14 times in a single year. Not 14%, guys, 14 times. She told me, she said, I'm done talking about change. And she did something about it. Here's what I know. The nurses who keep saying someday are still at the bedside 5 years from now, wishing they had started. The nurses who take action, they're the ones sending me videos saying I'm living my dream life. Here's what I want you to do right now. There's a link in the description of this video. That link will take you to our free introductory training. There's no fluff, no filler, just the core of what legal nurse consulting is and what it can do for your life. After that training, you're going to see the Catalyst Framework video where I walk you through exactly how our program works. And if what you see resonates, if you find yourself thinking this is the answer I've been looking for, book a roadmap call with my team. It's free. It's a real conversation. It's not salesy. And it might be the most important phone call that you make all year. Remember that courage always comes before confidence. You don't have to have it all figured out. You just have to take the first step. Click the link. Let's find out if this is your moment.